what exactly is cybersecurity? It's not just about hacking or fancy tools. At its core, cybersecurity is about protecting people and information. It's the practice of defending computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. Every time someone logs into a bank account, shops online, or just sends a message, there's a system in place making sure that data stays safe. That system is cybersecurity. And behind that system, someone like you. Now, if you're thinking of becoming a cybersecurity engineer, that's not just a job title. That's a responsibility. Because in today's world, where everything is online, from hospital records to military systems, keeping things secure is not optional anymore. It's critical. So how do you get there? You start by learning how things work before you learn how to protect them. That means getting solid with the basics: networking, operating systems, Linux, DNS, firewalls, IP addressing, TCP/IP. If that sounds boring, you're looking at the wrong field. These are your building blocks. Once you're comfortable with how systems are built, you move into how they break. Learn the common attack methods: SQL injections, malware, social engineering, man-in-the-middle attacks, cross-site scripting. You need to study the mindset of the attacker, not just the technology. And the best way to do that? Build a lab. Use virtual machines. Break into your own servers, legally of course, then figure out how to fix them. That's how you develop real skill. Next, you need to understand detection and response. Learn how companies monitor threats, how they spot unusual behavior, and how they respond to attacks. This is what security operations is all about: analyzing logs, responding to incidents, and minimizing damage when things go wrong. You'll want to learn some scripting too. Not to become a full-time coder, but enough to automate tasks, analyze data, or write quick tools. Python is great for this. Bash too. You'll thank yourself later. Now let's talk credentials. If you're starting out, Security Plus is a good first step. Then you might go for CEH, OSCP, or CSSP, depending on where you want to specialize. But I'll say it straight: certifications won't save you if you don't have hands-on skills. They help you get noticed. But what you can actually do, that's what gets you hired and keeps you hired. And here's the truth: your first role might not be cybersecurity engineer. It could be help desk, IT support, network admin, security analyst, and that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. The goal is to get as close to real infrastructure as possible and slowly build up your expertise. Learn by doing. And as you grow, don't just chase titles. Build depth. Explore topics like cloud security, identity management, secure architecture, penetration testing, threat hunting, compliance. There are so many paths, and they all matter. Stay curious. Stay plugged in. Read security blogs. Follow researchers. Join communities. Try Hack the Box. Play with Capture the Flag challenges. There's always something new to learn because cybersecurity is always changing. It's not a one-time skill. It's a mindset, a constant state of learning. And if that excites you, if the idea of protecting people from invisible threats, if defending systems under pressure and always staying 2 steps ahead, if that sounds like your thing, then yeah, this field needs you more than ever.